Hey, what's up guys? Today we are working on some banners for Brown Brother Construction. Caitlin's got them all printed up for me. I just need to trim them down, reinforce them, and put some grommets in them. So stay tuned. So about halfway through this, we ran out of our reinforcement tape. So what I went ahead and did is just trimmed everything down, so when the tape comes in, we can just get those done and out the door.
We're here today, we're going to do the lettering on this trailer you see behind me. It's for a company called Chompers Lawn. So something I'm going to show today is kind of working with big, huge graphics. I mean, like the smallest one is 70 inches wide. So it's some big graphics, all one piece. I'm going to show you though how you can break it down and not have to work in such a big section, even if you need it to be a certain way. So yeah, stay tuned and take a look at it. What I did is I actually split it with tape. There's two ways you can do this. You can do it the way I did it. There's another way where you put the tape down like how I had it, and you actually put the tape down along the bottom, and you kind of do the alternate way. Instead of going up like this, you go up like that. You switch your style of how you flip it. So, and then that way, if you have them both the same way, you basically chop this big thing in half. Made it a lot easier to work with. So as you can see, that is one way to do it as far as splitting the graphic and making it easier to work with. Another way you can do it is if you really didn't want to do it that way, you could actually cut this, work this by itself, come get the measurement for it, so, and then do this part by itself, and that's going to be a little easier. I was just showing you this way because then that way you got another way you can look at it. You always kind of want to look at things to see if it's easier to do it one way or the other. Here's the other way you can do it. You can take the bottom like this, take the top like that, and then you have to take your knife, or not your knife, but your scissors, cut right through here, and then you work down. Install is all done. As you can see, when I did the back of it, I actually cut out the piece so that way it could get around the handle. Makes it a little easier to maneuver. Overall, install went great. Logo looks really awesome on this gray background. I mean, it pops. I mean, for colors that you would think would be too dark on a gray, looks really good. But otherwise, yeah, turned out great. We're out here at Southeast Community College to do an install on some trailers. The trailer you see behind me is what this trailer is going to look like that we're working on. We just got done with the trailer behind me that I was talking about earlier. Turned out really nice and smooth. Had quite a bit of rivets to do, but as you can see, you can't tell that it was even there. But yeah, turned out great.